You are now tuned in with your boy Showtyme. As that being said, let's get to it. Yeah.
Record and send it to me. David Gaddis. Or at RDEZYD on Twitter.
Better hope he don't lose the eye. Here we go. So I'll be nervous.
I got you.
Ooh, I know that hurt it. He looked like he up to no good. Ooh, it flew him way over there somewhere. Look at him, stuck under all the debris. Yeah, he buried. He cooked. What's the coincidence of that? That's instant karma, big time. Look, it's so hot they can't even get him. Look.
I'm talking clean football is in.
Oh, he got a knife.
Oh, he doing Dave Chappelle.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that hurt, didn't it? He dropped that knife after that. Caught him off guard. Whop. Up in there acting crazy. That's what he get.